Today, we will talk about how to create user profile components. First, let's go to Bootstrap website. Check the drop-downs component. Scroll down to the single button section. Copy the whole HTML blocks. Go back to Visual Studio Code Editor. Open navigation.js file. Enter front-end src components layout folder. Scroll down to the end. After the links block, paste the code. Select the new code and replace all class attributes to class name. Next step, we will make few adjustments for styling. First, update the text of links, username, cards, profile, and logouts. Then we add icons to each links. From last video, we learned how to use Bootstrap icons on our pages. Here we use icons such as car for, person circle, and door open. You can choose whatever icons you prefer. The icons look a little bit smaller. Let's make it larger. Define a new variable named icon_style. Give a value as font size equals to 1.5 rem. Font size must be camel case. It's the syntax of React.js. Then we add this class to each links. The icons and the text look better now. But the icons and text are too close to each other. They need some space between. Let's add a class name px-1 into each icon. px-1 is a Bootstrap spacing class. P means padding, X means left and right sides, 1 means 1 spacer units times 0.5. Now the icon and the text have some space between. Add the spacing class to other two links. Now let's replace the previous logout button with the drop-downs component. Next step, we need to fix the logout link by adding onClick events with the logout handler function. We also update username text with the variable name user.name. Today, we have learned how to create user profile components. Next video, we will learn how to add search products function.